10,000 naira every day and 70,000 naira every week from this product. Guys, I got something amazing for you in today's video. You may have watched videos on 2022 business ideas, but this one is the bomb. I'm already excited because I know when you're done watching this video that something amazing is going to start happening in your life. So in this video, I want to show you 3 side hustle businesses for 2022 that are guaranteed to change your finances this year. I know you may have seen videos on 2022 business ideas, but do they really work? In this video, I want to show you what truly works. These are things people are already doing and making money from, so it works. So here are some of the things people who are already doing the business at the moment have to say about this. I guarantee you that these are best side hustle ideas for 2022. Best part is that they are one of the highest paying side hustle you will find out there. Something you can do and you're able to generate 50% profit margin. That's amazing. Number 2 is my favorite, and it's going to blow your mind too when I explain that to you. What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money and how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's dive in. These are the best 2022 business ideas or side hustle ideas you can start today and make a lot of money doing it. Before I share these amazing ideas with you, let me tell you 2 things you need to look out for when you want to start a side hustle business. These are things that indicate whether a business is going to be profitable or not. First is profit margin. How much are you going to make from this? For example, you want to sell a product. How much will be your gain per product? Look at it this way. There are products, before you make 1,000 naira gain from it, you will have to sell 1,000 pieces. There are other ones, you need to just sell 1 or 2 products and then you make 1,000 naira profit. Now, a good profit margin to me is 50% profit. Something you buy 1,000 naira and you're able to sell it 1,500 naira. So at the end of the day, you have 500 naira to yourself. And the second one is demand. How many units of this product can you sell per day? Some products sells 1 to 2 pieces per day. Some products sell 10 to 20 units per day. Now let's do a little maths. Mr. A has a product that when he sells it, he makes 4,000 naira profit. But he can only sell 2 units of it per week. And Mr. B has a product that when he sells, he makes 1,000 naira profit. And Mr. B sells 10 units of this product per day. So you see, though Mr. A makes 4,000 naira profit per product, but the demand is not there. So he sells 2 products per week, which is 8,000 naira profit. Mr. B makes 1,000 naira profit, but the demand for the product is there. So he sells 10 units of the product every day. Now, at the end of the day, Mr. B makes 10,000 naira every day and 70,000 naira every week. Now, these 3 business ideas I'm about to share with you fulfills these 2 essential conditions. So you're guaranteed of making money from this if you follow the steps I'm about to share with you. Now, here is what you're going to get from this. These 3 business ideas have 50% profit margin and they'll sell like 10 units every day. So the first one is food storage business. Guys, you would never go wrong with food business. And that's because food is something we can't do without. So whether the economy is good or bad, whether there's money in circulation or not, people are going to eat. I know a Nigerian lady who is into food storage business and she is doing amazingly well for herself. She's made a lot of money, buys houses, travels the world, makes investments, and even gift people cars. She tells everyone who cares to listen that this business is profitable. Before you venture into food storage business, here are a number of things you need to look out for. Don't invest in perishable products if you're not going to make this a full-time business, because you wouldn't have the time to run around the way it's required of you. 2, get these items when they're in stock. This way you're going to buy them cheaper and then sell them when they're out of stock. You make a lot of money. 3, you need to understand the shelf life. how long it's meant to stay, and all that. 4, you may need to have a storage space in your home to keep them in a safe place till when you are ready to sell them off. 5, you need to get clear on the seasons. Now, there are months you are meant to get them, and then there are months you are meant to sell them. If you miss out on this peak time, you might end up losing your money. Last one, you need to have a good knowledge of their preservation for those that need to be preserved. I learned that there's a way you preserve beans to prevent weevils from entering. Otherwise, you wake up one morning and find that a bag of beans is covered with weevils. Here are the food items you should invest in. Red oil. This is by far the best. It doesn't require a lot of work and stress. Next one is beans, cashew nuts. Now, I know this is a profitable business. Now, how do you sell these products? First, you can sell to hotels. You can sell to NYC orientation camp. Have you thought of that? Now, NYC orientation camps do buy food items in bulk. You can imagine reaching out to the state coordinators and negotiating to supply them those food items at a cheaper rate from what they buy in the market. That's a big idea you need to look into. You can also sell to restaurants. The second business idea is my favorite. Look at this Apple wristwatch. You can get this product for 500 naira and sell it for 1,500 minimum. People sell it for 3,000, 4,000, even 10,000. I've done my research. So people buy this wristwatch for as low as 500 naira here in my city. Now look at this on Gigi. See how much people are selling this wristwatch. Some are selling it for 4,000, 7,000, 10,000. And guys, they got this wristwatch for 500 naira. A couple of days ago, I traveled out of my city before our vehicle left the park. And a booking man brought jewelries for sale. So the lady beside me picked this wristwatch. A booking man said the wristwatch sells for 1,500 naira. And I was like, what? And the lady priced it 500. So they haggled the price. And guys, before our vehicle left the park, this lady paid 500 naira for this wristwatch. I was wowed. Now, I'm very sure a Pokemon didn't buy this wristwatch 500 naira. Maybe he bought it 300 or 400. Someone who sells this wristwatch, he sells at least 10 units of this wristwatch every day. And you know why? People want to feel they belong. You know, everybody wants to chill with the big boys. And we all know this is not the original Apple wristwatch, but people buy it every day because they want to give this impression. So it sells like crazy. Now, people selling it right now are making at least 1,000 naira profits every day from this. And they are selling like 10 units, 20 units of it every day. There's a question, is this wristwatch selling? Absolutely. So smart people are making money. Even if you don't have a lot of money, you don't have to buy it in bulk. You can go on and buy just one unit and then do a photo shoot, video it, show yourself wearing it. And then when the order starts coming in, you go get it in bulk and start supplying. Just remember to come back here and ask for my account details when the money starts flowing. Are you catching Rema? Go on and say, thank you, I love the ideas, and let me know the one you are going to take on as soon as you're done watching this video. Drop that in the comment section. And the third business idea is one of the best too. This is something we can't do without every day. That is data for browsing. Now, people that are selling data will tell you that it's one of the most profitable business. Buy 1 gig data for 250 naira and you sell it for 500 naira. The best part is people don't buy 1 gig, 2 gig. Somebody like myself, I do monthly subscription and I consume nothing less than 24 gigs every month. So you can imagine you have 10 people that are subscribed to your data business. Every month, they are buying monthly subscription from you. You can imagine how much you make, like 100% profit margin. You can't believe how much people are making from this. And like I said, it's something you sell on a daily basis because we can't do without data. Data is like air to us. Read what this person has to say. He says that data is a new oil well. And the best part is it doesn't have to be your full-time business. So you can actually merge this with your full-time business. If you're a 9-to-5er or you have other businesses you are doing, you can still do this on the side. So to learn how this data business is done, you need to reach out to people who are already into the business. They teach you how to do that, start making money for yourself. If you want to learn more side hustle ideas, here is the video where I talked about 13 side hustle businesses you can start to generate passive income for yourself, because we all need extra cash. So go on and click on this video, watch it, and you're going to love it. There's no how you watch this video from beginning to the end and you wouldn't find at least one of it that you can do. I hope you got value from this. Please share this video with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn how to generate passive income. Share it on your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other social platforms. See you in my next video. Bye.